Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco and Porvorim.
आसगाव घर मोडपाच्या प्रकरणात गोंयची कायदो व्यवस्था मोडून पडल्या. 2 दिसा पयलीं मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान मुख्य सचिवा वरवीं चौकशी लायले उपरांत PI प्रज्वल देसाई आणि 2 PSIंक निलंबित केल्यात. निलंबना उपरांत केशींत नवो टेस्ट आयलो. पुलीस महासचिव जसपाल सिंग हाणें कारवाय करूंक दिवंक ना म्हूण हणजूणाचो PI प्रज्वल देसायाचो खुलासो. हाचेर DGP गाठलो जाल्यार तो तोंड उगडूंक तयार ना. पुलिसांनी बेगोबेग आपली बाजू मांडपाक SP राहुल गुप्ताक फुडें काडलो.
Since morning is that there is a news report going on that one officer has alleged role of seniors in this process. I just want to highlight that it's a document which is unsigned and unnamed document. I had also received this document. It is unsigned and unnamed document, and at this stage it is very premature to draw conclusions from that document. And still we are we are conducting investigation, and as and when something comes up we will inform you.
ह्या पुराय प्रकरणाचेर चौकशी करूंक SIT नेमिल्ली. केसीत 6 जाणांक अटक केल्यात. तातूंत 3 बायलां बाउन्सरांचोय आस्पाव आसा. पूजा शर्माच्या भूमिकेचेर चौकशी चल्ल्या.
Before transferring of the case, Anjuna PS team had already arrested 2 people. One of them was Arshad Khwaja and other was Pradeep Rana. And after taking over the investigation, crime branch has arrested 6 more people. So total arrests in this case as of now stand at 8. I would just reiterate the names of the people who have been arrested. Day before yesterday, on the day of taking over the case, we arrested Ashfaq Qadir Sheikh. Yesterday we arrested 2 more persons, Muhammad Imran Salmani and Azim Qadar Sheikh. And today we have arrested 3 ladies who were there on the spot. Shaheen Saudagar, Bismillah Gorgundagi and Shalan Kalappa Morekar. Pooja Sharma, it is still under investigation.
मजगती PI सांगता ते प्रमाण ताणें खंय उत्तर गोंय SPक सगळें सांगलां. ह्या फाटभुंयेर प्रुडंटान SP अक्षत कौशलाक गाठलो. तो म्हणटा हांवें संबंदीत अधिकाऱ्यांक स्टेटमेंट दिलो. स्टेटमेंट खरो की फट ताचेर SP उलोवंक ना. मजगती ह्या केसीत DGP सारख्या एका वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्याचेर जाल्ले आरोप पळयल्यार ही केस एक कनिश्ठ अधिकारी म्हळ्यार SP कसो हाताळू शकता असो प्रश्न सध्या गोंयकारांक पडला. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.